welcome back to my channel. I will be going over 3 no heat hairstyles. Now, first of all, if you're watching this, you're probably looking for ideas for when you're giving your hair a break from the blow dryer, from your hot tools. Girl, I am proud of you. We have to give our hair a little break sometimes. So here are 3 hairstyles that are my go-tos that require no heat. So before we jump into these hairstyles, I did want to add that a couple days ago I washed my hair. I let it sort of dry naturally, and then the next day I put it in a low bun. So these waves that you're seeing here are just from that low bun. I haven't added any heat to my hair, so yeah. Okay, so first hairstyle, the middle part, a low bun. You guys, this is so easy and you're gonna look so chic. So you start with the middle part. If you prefer more of a side part, if you feel kind of weird with the middle part and then doing kind of a sleek low bun like we're about to, do your regular part, do the side part, do the off-center part, whatever part you're used to, stick with that. So just go with whatever you're comfortable with. I always start with an oil. I have 2 here. So I've got the spray-in oil by Moroccan oil. It's called Glimmer Shine. And then I also have my Oribe Gold Lust. I love both of them. So what I'm gonna do is just kind of I literally just did a little drop in my hands. I'm just gonna run that through my hair. Whenever you are styling your hair with it having like its natural texture in it, you should always start with an oil at the ends, because my ends always look kind of gross, you know? Now I'm going to go in with Puff Me. It's just like a little volumizing powdery product, and this is just really for my crown area. And then just kind of work that into my crown a little bit. Okay, and now I'm going to use a dry texture cream. Look, it's called Sandcastle and it's by R+Co. So I'm just gonna get a little bit of this. Just gonna work that in my hands, and I'm gonna smooth out the top. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with my comb, and I'm just going to smooth this back behind my ears. And I'm gonna do the same on the other side. From there, I'm just going to gather everything into a ponytail, and I'm going to make sure it's sitting pretty low. And then just to make sure that this doesn't go anywhere, I do like to use double scrunchies or double hair ties. And just make sure everything is like super sleek. I'm gonna change out my earrings because I feel like those hoops look a little funky with this hair accessory. I never wear dark colors like this on my lips. I'm kind of feeling it, you guys. Moving on to look number 2. Before you get into bed, when you have just let your hair air dry, split your hair down the middle, down the back, and then create 2 French braids. You don't have to create these braids from the very, very top because you don't want your bangs to get too funky. And I am wrapping up this look with another bold lip color. Now for my third and final look, we are going to wear a hat. You probably do this all the time. But you know what? We forget these things. we forget. You buy a cute hat, and where is it? Where is your cute hat right now? Pull it out, put it in an accessible place. The best way that I like to do this is I'll do a low bun. I'm just gonna do the one piece around my face. And then again, a bold lip. I feel like it's the perfect combination when it comes to doing an effortless hairstyle, and then you add that pop in there with a bold lip, and it's just perfection. And of course, you guys don't have to use a scrunchie every time you put your hair in a low bun. That's just my preference because I love scrunchies. Alright guys, so that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you found these tips useful, if you give them a try, please let me know in the comments below. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the little bell. New videos coming every Friday. We'll see you next time.